What is a hover selector? A hover selector is CSS selector that we can use to select anchor element or link that is in hover state and apply CSS styles on it. Anchor element or link is in hover state when users hover on it. Inside of declaration block, we can set any set of styles that we want to apply only in that cases when users hover on links. Okay, let's see some examples. Okay, for this part, I have already prepared simple HTML document structure. We have head and body inside of our HTML document, and inside of body, we have two links. We have link for page 1 and page 2. And those pages, page 1 HTML and page 2 HTML, are actually dummy pages and we don't have it, but you can replace it with some existing real pages. I will use this for this example. I save this document like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. This is our index web page, so let's open it. And this is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, so we have basically our page 1 and page 2 links. And when we hover on our links, nothing is happening for now, but let's change this. I want to make some changes on our links when we hover on it. Okay, so let's go back in our text editor. Inside of head, let's define style block where we're gonna define all CSS styles for this HTML document. Okay, now let's set a hover. Let's define declaration block. Now inside of declaration block, we can set any CSS styles that will be applied only when users hover on links. So let's set color orange, for example. Let's save these changes. So basically when user hover on link, color will be orange. Okay, so nothing is happening, but when we hover on our links, you can see that color will be changed to orange. Okay. Also, we can, for example, remove this underline for our links when we hover on it. So let's do that. So let's set the text decoration CSS property with value none. Okay, let's save this. Let's go back in our web browser and let's refresh it. So now when we hover on our link, you can see how that underline will be removed. Also, we can set, for example, background color for our links. Okay, let's set black, for example. Let's save this. So let's refresh it. So now when we hover on our links, you can see that now we'll have black background color. Okay, so this is how a hover CSS selector works to select links when we hover in it, so feel free to play around with this.
Thanks for watching this tutorial and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles. And please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.